Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get back to the good stuff, back to my sweet spot, back to my jam, which is skincare. So you all see me talking about my Thrive 3 steps all day, every day. Well, I want to be sure to let you know that that is not all that we have. We have all of the good for you stuff that's going to take care of your body from the inside out, but we also have a skincare line, and that is called Thrive Skin, and it is a 3-step system that is infused with CBD. Now, we all know that everybody is going crazy over CBD today, so I want to let you know exactly what the system is, what you can expect from it, price points, and what the overall goal of this system is. So if you would like to see what the Thrive Skin 3-step system is, then be sure to keep on watching. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that share button so that all your family and friends can join in on the fun. All right guys, let's get talking skincare. All right guys, now you all know that I am a sucker for all things skincare. Like, skincare is my jam. Like, that is my sweet spot. That is what I love. Because let's face it, like, this skin, we have got to make it last, okay? Like, make it last forever and ever. All right, sorry, had a moment. But we've got to make this skin last, you guys. So I am all about doing whatever it takes as far as products, tools, tricks, tips, you name it, I will do it. I want to be looking as youthful and, you know, supple and plump and smooth and baby bottom soft for as long as possible. So I literally have probably tried every brand out there on the market. I've tried every tool, you name it, I've tried it. I have thoughts and opinions about everything. So of course, when I learned that our Thrive family decided to launch a skincare line not too long ago, I was like, ooh, I gotta try that out. So of course I bought the system, which is 3 steps, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And y'all know I am a sucker for packaging, so this did not disappoint. All right guys, let's do a drum roll. All right, so here is what the box looks like, okay? Advanced CBD skincare system. Hopefully this is coming through. So when you order the 3-step system, this is how it will come to you. When you open it, this is what it looks like. So the goal of this system is to peel, reduce, and restore. So we're gonna go through each of the products. I'm actually going to apply them for you and give you my thoughts as I'm applying them, and then just talk a little bit about each of the products individually. So, just so you know, I am completely barefaced. I have not a stitch of makeup or anything on, no brows, no mascara, no liner, no nothing, okay? I know I look scary, but we're going to start with step 1, which is the Infinite CBD Enzyme Peel, and it is enriched with CBD oil. Now you guys, like I told you, this packaging is just so sleek, it's clean. I like the white and gold, and you all, these are glass jars. It's not some old cheap plastic crap, okay? It is glass. Like, it just feels so heavy and like super luxe and expensive, and I love that. But you do get a fluid ounce of this enzyme peel, and this is basically your exfoliator. And you all know with any exfoliation, you don't want to do that every single day. 2 to 3 times a week is usually what I recommend. I know that's what I do personally. This says you can do 3 to 5 times a week. Again, if you're just starting out, I don't recommend that you do it that often. I would start with the 2 to 3 times a week and then work your way up, but you definitely do not want it to do it every single day. What this is going to do is it's going to remove that top layer of dead skin and remove all that nastiness and get ready for your next step so that your products can absorb deep into your skin, and it'll also reveal like your new layer of skin that's nice and soft. It's going to make it all just kind of like silky smooth. So here is what it looks like. It is like a clear gel. It's just like, so good. Now you guys, the good thing about this is you just need the smallest amount to apply to your face. Okay, a little bit goes a really long way. And I want to tell you all a little secret. You all know that I'm full of skincare tips. So when you have products like this that are in an open container or like a jar, like your cream moisturizers or something like this, you never, I don't care if you just went and washed your hands, you never want to put your fingers in the product. Do not dip the product out with your fingers. You always want to use a spatula. If you've never heard of a skincare or beauty spatula, I suggest you get on Amazon right now and order you some. They are super duper inexpensive and they are a must. The bacteria and dirt and stuff on your hands, under your fingernails, when you put it in your, dip it into your product, you're contaminating that product because you then have just contaminated the product that's left inside of there. You then put your lid back on top. And then this jar is just gonna sit here with all the nasty gunk you just put in it from your fingernails until you use it the next time, and then you're putting all of that on your face. You don't wanna do that, okay? Protect your investment, because I personally think that skincare is an investment. So protect your investment, get you a skincare spatula, okay? So this is one that I have, and yes, it's bougie and it's gold. So we're just gonna dip a little bit out, like literally. This is probably too much, but here's what I have on the edge. And we are just going to dab a little bit here, a little bit there, and just work it in. Now, you will notice that when you're working this product in, or any product, you want to always rub upwards. You do not want to go downwards, because don't help gravity out, okay? You want to move your skin up so you're not pulling your skin down. You don't want saggy skin. So just make it a nice upward motion. Get on your neck. And I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but there's this like all these little beads coming up. That's dead skin, y'all. That is nasty, gunky, dead skin. Just keep rubbing it in. I'm so mad at myself for not putting a towel down on my lap because I feel like it's falling all over me. So nasty. But you guys, this just feels so good. And that was actually like the perfect amount. So again, a little bit goes a long way. And now you just want to wash it off. Wash all that dead skin away. So let's do that. And I use lukewarm water. I like to open up my skin, up my pores, open up the pores. And again, you want to get in the habit of wiping up. And you all, I don't know why, but, well, I know why, because a lot of products that I've used in the past, they've had like nasty chemicals in it that probably weren't great for my skin, but I used them anyways. And so they would then turn my washcloths. So I now only use black washcloths when I do my skin care. And these washcloths are just for my skin. So invest in use some good washcloths. I'll have a link down below. I share these with people all the time because they are my absolute favorite. They were inexpensive. I think it came in a pack of 20 and they've held up great. So now here is another step that I want to tell you all about. This does not come with the 3-step system. It is a separate product in the Thrive Skin line, and it is the Infinite Activated Charcoal Mask, the Infinite Charcoal Activated Mask. This is a charcoal-based mask that you can use, and again, you can put this on your face or anywhere on your body. Charcoal is really good for pulling out impurities. If you have acne-prone skin, I definitely recommend that you use a charcoal-based mask or cleanser, and this is great to use. Definitely use this on the days that you don't use the enzyme peel, because it's just too rough on your skin. You definitely don't want to use both of those at the same time. So just wanted to recommend another product for y'all. Definitely recommend this because I do love it, love it, love it. Whenever I have a breakout, which I don't feel like it happens that often anymore, I definitely will use this to try and help and dry it out ASAP. So let's move on. Oh, my face is so soft and smooth. It just feels so good. Okay, so let's move on to step 2, which is the Infinite CBD Correcting Serum. And again, it is infused with CBD oil. And again, it is the glass packaging. And I love this because it has a little dropper thingy that you squirt. I know a lot of serums, they either can come like this or they come in an actual, like it's a super fine liquid that comes in like a little dropper. Another skincare tip. When you, even like those, so just like I said with any type of open container, you always want to use a beauty spatula. Same thing goes for when you're using skincare that has a dropper. You never want to take that dropper and apply it directly on your skin. You want to squirt out the liquid into your hands and then rub it or pat it into your face, because when you're putting that on your skin, again, you're getting all kinds of dead skin, toxins, whatever, and you're putting it back into your bottle. So just a little tip, okay, always squirt the product out into your hand. Okay, so the CBD correcting serum. So serums are really awesome for helping to reduce just overall signs of aging, reducing your pores, just kind of helping your skin to be a little bit more supple. It's kind of re-energizing your skin a little bit. And it also helps to make your next step work a little more, which in this case, it's the moisturizer. So we will be putting this on. And again, you can use this one twice a day. And you guys, really, if you've not tried CBD before, you know, there are so many benefits that you can get from CBD. You know, when used topically, it really helps to slow the aging process. So that's why a lot of skincare companies are now starting to put it into their products. It helps with inflammation and redness. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles. There are a lot of really amazing benefits to it. And you know that you have a good grade of CBD when you can't buy it at the store. Okay, meaning you can't go to the gas station, you can't go to Walmart, you can't go to CVS, Walgreens, okay? That's not a good grade. If you can just easily get it off of a shelf, it's not a good grade. So I do think there is value in, you know, ordering it from, you know, a direct seller that is putting quality products out with quality ingredients, and that's what you're getting here. You're not going to pay $5 for it, so it is definitely a good quality CBD. So again, this you can use, sorry, there was a car passing. So this you can use twice a day, every day. And then our last thing is our AM and PM Infinite CBD Moisturizing Elixir. And it looks like this. And again, you just need a little bit. I know people are probably thinking, well, I've got oily skin, so I don't need the whole system. I just need steps 1 and 2. I don't need to use moisturizer. Try again, Karen. You're wrong. Everybody, regardless of your skin type, needs to use a good moisturizer. Now, I'm not saying you need to like lather it up to where you look like, you know, you just put a whole slab of Crisco on your face, but you do need to moisturize. So whether you have combo, normal, oily, dry, I can't say oily for some reason, or dry skin, everybody needs to moisturize, okay? I promise you, it's not gonna make you more oily than normal. So, oh my God, you guys, my skin just feels amazing. And then I also like to just put a little extra moisturizer on my neck area. Guys, that's another thing. You can't neglect your neck, because your neck and your hands are the first signs of your true age, you guys. So make sure you're taking care of your hands. And that's another thing I do, is any excess product, I always like to rub it into my hands. So just make sure that you are doing all of that. Ooh, and I just like to get the blood flowing. Oh, love it. All right, guys. So those are our 3 products. It is the Infinite CBD enzyme peel, the correcting serum, and then the AM and PM moisturizing elixir. All of these products you can buy in a single kit, in a single system. Like again, it will come just like this, and you can use this. Now, another question that I've gotten from people is, you know, how long does it last? The bottles look a little small. So you're getting a fluid ounce in step 1, step 2, and then in the moisturizer, you're getting 1.6 non-fluid ounces. So the enzyme peel, where you don't use that every day, you only use it 2 to 3 times a week, and the serum and the moisturizer you can use every single day, but you truly just need like a little pea size of both products. This can easily last you 3 to 4 months. Like, you are not going to go through this if you're using the right amount of product, okay? If you're just lathering everything up, you're using entirely too much product, you're going to dry your skin out. Don't do it, okay? Follow the instructions and this system will last. So I wanted to just share that with you all because I want you all to know that, you know, we have other products besides just the 3 steps that I share with you. I do believe that the 3 steps are amazing. I think everybody should be on them, but I also want you to know that we have skincare and body care products that work, and they're quality, top of the line products, you guys. With the right formulation and the right ingredients, you guys, and I promise you will love them. My face just feels amazing. So if you would like to start your skincare journey with some CBD infused in it, and you're ready for a simple routine, I mean literally guys, you all saw it's 3 steps, and you are done, that did not take a long time, then let me know. I will be happy to get you started. Again, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you are always notified of every future upload, and go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. Again, all products that I mentioned today will be listed down in the description box if you want to check them out. Feel free to send me a message, and that's it guys. Have a good day. Bye.